family recently. Natural disasters are indeed into a crazy mode, one after another. You see, under such circumstances, drones throughout the disaster relief. Can it play a bigger role? And I'm going to give you one more piece. Suppose that during the disaster relief process, in case of fire, actually this drone, there's lots of different things that can be done. It can carry a thermal imager, like clairvoyant vision. It can go through thick fog, precisely lock the fire source, provide firefighters with fire information. In addition, the drone can also carry firebombs. It can see precisely where is the source of the fire? Inaccessible. It can be targeted with precision. These firebombs with eyes, in fact, behind the scenes, it has a complex algorithm. It is accurately identified and calculated. Make sure that every time we place, achieve the best results. For example, the disaster area of our current earthquake, Drone Avatar, a magical surveyor. It uses the LiDAR up here and related mapping technologies. They can, in a short time, draw this high-precision 3D terrain model. At this time, in fact, we rescue workers. According to these models, learn about the specific topography of the disaster area. This helps our rescuers quickly identify risk points. It can also be used for our follow-up rescue. Or it could happen. Prevention of secondary disasters. Provide accurate data support. Simultaneous drone. You can also carry some relief supplies. Fast shipping. Mainly we are now in the event of a disaster. It is difficult for people to reach some earthquake-stricken areas. This is crucial. In addition, in fact, there are other scenarios as well. Flood control. Come summer, everyone will face such a question. The drone. In fact, through the high-definition camera, or something like an infrared thermal imager, we can monitor the condition of our floods, including levees. Is there a collapse? Assess the scope of the disaster. Once you find us, some of the affected people, drones can quickly put some location information. Feedback to rescue forces. Can also throw some relief supplies. Everyone knows the first 2 years, in the event of a flood, we use drones. Found some kittens and puppies. These things we once discovered just by drone. Bring it up. So this is actually with us. Really related. In addition, we can also direct delivery of some urgently needed living or medical supplies, because everyone is in the process of flood control. How about this time? Timely assistance and medical treatment. In fact, it is also very critical. So the drone, under such circumstances, it's a race against time. An airborne paramedic. So this effect is still very large. Of course, the drone disaster scenario. Maybe it's not just us. These things mentioned above, there is another situation. We can act as temporary communication relay station. In the event of an earthquake, everyone's communication mobile phone can't get out. And this time with drones in the air for everyone, provide a temporary base station. We can help our disaster victims and our rescuers both provide communication. What else? Maybe in the event of a power outage, through drones to everyone, provide lighting, such a service. In addition, you can also quickly investigation of damage to electrical facilities, then help our emergency repair staff determine its precise location. This allows our repair more timely, and some of us, a lot of hikers, skiing, avalanche. During this disaster, in fact, high altitude, some drone takeoffs can help us search and rescue personnel. It unfolds very quickly. Large area search. It's a real race against time. Make everyone in a short time. You get more aid. Speaking of which, you might say, your drone is so powerful. Can you do it later? Replace firefighters or rescue personnel? I don't think you should worry about that. These tools are here to help us, rather than to replace ours. In the future, drones and humans. Rescue team. Rescuers complement each other. We put it to good use. That's number one. Drones can help us reach hard to get to. Or we might also places you don't want to go, where the risk is higher. This can make the drone go to us, get more information, and it's intelligence information. Some timely supplies were sent. Our goal is still, let them help us. During the disaster relief process, reduce casualties, increase the efficiency of rescue efforts. Let them truly become our helper, not to replace us. Anyway, drone relief has become modern in the rescue system, an indispensable part. They rely on agility, efficient and accurate. Throughout the rescue process, play an increasingly important role. Believe that with low-altitude technology, continuous progress, our drones are in the future. It will surely be for humanity. Safety and well-being contribute more power. Follow me and take you on a journey to explore the technology.